My name is Victoria Hernandez, and I'm a proud patient of Dr. Jeneby. I heard about Dr. Jeneby through one of my friends, my very good friends, and she also happens to be a patient of Dr. Jeneby as well. And she said very nice things about him, and I was thinking about having a breast augmentation. I was kind of nervous and scared because I've never been under the knife or I've never been put out for any kind of surgery. So I was really hesitant and scared. My friend reassured me that Dr. Jeneby is really good to work with and that things would be easy. So I'm a registered nurse, and I knew when I came in to look for cleanliness, mainly sterilization techniques, things like that. And Dr. Jeneby's office and pre-procedure, post-procedure, everything looked very sterile, very clean. I've been in that operating room numerous amount of times, from before the procedure until after I got my ports removed. So I love the operating room. It's very sterile, very cold, and that's how it's supposed to be, to keep bacteria from growing, things like that. So it's very sterile back there. I think Dr. Jeneby is really nice, and he's kind of like a peer, not so much a doctor. He likes to treat you as a human and not a patient, you know. He's like a friend. I like that about him, and he's very nurturing when it comes to my care. I did experience a complication. So I'm a registered nurse, and I was working in a hospital at the time. About 3 or 4 weeks post-op, my incisions were looking good. I was supposed to be on light duty, and I had a patient who coded, so I had to perform CPR. Unfortunately, I was one of the first ones there, so I had to do my compressions, so I did so. And I noticed after I was having a lot of pain, so I called that night to Dr. Jeneby's on-call, and they were able to get me in right away to look at the incision. And when they did, they found that it did become open at that time. I felt through the whole process that Dr. Jeneby and his team were right by my side, and I was in very good hands, and I knew that they would fix it, everything that happened, and sure enough they did. And the incision to this day is clean, it's fine, it's barely noticeable. For someone that wants to have their breast augmentation done, I would say go ahead and come with Dr. Jeneby. Don't think about any other surgeon in San Antonio. Dr. Jeneby is the one for you. He's very clean, sterile, and I trust him to do another one of my procedures, so I recommend it fully. This is my first summer, one year post-op, having the procedure, and I'm very happy with my results. I bought a whole bunch of new swimsuits to kind of accentuate them. I've never been able to do that. I've never felt comfortable enough to do that, or be in a bathing suit on the beach. I would always have a top, but now I feel excellent, and I just want to be outside at the beach all the time.